All right, if you've made it this far, you can probably see that finding the supplier was really only the beginning. We've gone from sourcing into compliance, supplier agreements, production management, quality control, international logistics, and ultimately getting your product to market. But here's the important part: the journey doesn't really end here. Once your product is selling, we can start asking new questions. Can we reduce the manufacturing cost? Can we optimize the packaging or logistics? Are there other best selling products in your portfolio where we could potentially save money? Do you need help managing your next production orders? Or maybe the biggest opportunity is simply, what's the next potentially profitable product we should find and source for you? And then the whole journey starts again. You absolutely don't need all of these services, and you certainly don't need all of them today. The purpose of this guide is to help you understand what's possible, what you should be thinking about at each stage, and where we can support if it makes sense for your business. Below this video, you'll find a simple checklist. Just select anything you'd like us to look at with you, send it to our team, and we'll get in touch to discuss what makes sense. And hopefully, this isn't the end of our journey together. It's just the beginning of the next one.